like this. After that, you want to take off the gimbal protector. Okay, so the next step after grabbing your drone and unfolding it correctly, you want to get the battery. So the battery is the most important part of the drone. It's what's powered the drone. You want to open this part up, then you want to grab the battery that they properly goes in. After that, you will want a button right here. You can turn on the drone using this button. So what you want to do, you're going to click once and then hold, just like this. And then after that, your gimbal will properly. And now you're completed. All you need next is the controller. So now we got our controller. So in case you have a DJI Neo or a DJI Neo 2 or a DJI Flip, you can actually use them without the controller and using just the control, your phone, or actually you can actually just use QuickShot's phone. But right now I'm using the controller to power my Mini 4K. So what you want to do is what you did with the same thing on the drone. You want to click this once and then hold. And now you will hear the DJI startup sound in order so that you know now how to turn on the controller. And if you have any other accessories, for example like a lanyard, you can actually put them on so that it's a lot more safe. So now you can turn on your controller. What you want to do next is you want to pull out these sticks from the bottom right here. Under the controller, you will find these type of joysticks and you just want to screw them in. Slowly and steadily, you don't need to move that fast. Do it for the other side as well, in order to properly control the drone really well. You will want to use your phone and the cable connector that's connected to the controller. So this depends if you have Type-C, lightning cable, or anything else like a micro USB. So if you have a lightning cable, just like me on the iPhone 11, you can connect it properly with the lightning cable that came attached to the controller, just like this. Now after that, you should be properly connected to the drone and the controller. After that, you will get video signal and see through your drone. After that, once you connect your controller and your drone, you can properly now fly. So what you want to do next is put your phone, your ground, and as you can see, the DJI fly button right here. You can actually see the takeoff button right here. What you want to do next is you want to click takeoff or hold it just like this. And after that, your drone will now fly. So with your right sticks, you can actually move it forward, backward, left, and right. Now with the left stick, you can do a pan axis to the left, pan axis to the right, and you can go ascend and descend. Now there are 3 modes on your drone that you will want to always check. So you see right here, we have cine mode, normal mode, and sport mode. So normal mode is the regular mode that you will usually use. Cinematic mode is the slowest mode possible. Here's the max speed. Now that after you use cine mode, you can go ahead normally to normal mode. You can see it gets a lot faster as you switch to the better modes. You'll want to be really careful when you're using the faster modes when you're flying. And then after that, you can actually use sport mode. If you're used to already using normal mode, you can actually already use sport mode. Now be aware, this turns off your obstacle avoidance and is the fastest mode possible. It's very scary to fly in, especially at low altitude. You want to be at the highest altitude possible in order to use sport mode. It is very fast, so you will want to always use the emergency stop button and be aware of your surroundings. Always keep visual line of sight in order to keep your drone safe and not crash at all times. Okay, so now we're flying. You'll want to go up to the highest altitude as you can, just right above the buildings. to around 80 meters or 90 meters depending on where you live. Usually I'll go to around 110 meters. You do not want to go over 120 meters or else you will get fined because it's a very illegal and you are out of airspace. So right here I found a proper subject to use. Now I'll enter quick shots mode, go in circle mode to do proper orbit.
3, 2, 1. Sensing unavailable. Final caution. 3, 2.
You're gonna have to have the subject as bright as possible so that the quick shots mode can properly do it well. This only matters if you don't have sensors, because if you have sensors, the sensors can detect where the building is or the subject. Usually when you lose satellite positioning, you won't be able to do quick shots anymore. And there's two ways to do orbits. One, you can either do it manually, just like how I do it. You'll want to go into cine mode, go to video mode, and then this should be good enough to you to be able to manually do it. Now you want the sticks to be facing outwards, but on the left stick or the pen axis, you will only want it to be doing it slightly. In order to get a good orbit, you'll need good control with your hands and not be shaky.
Max altitude.
Congratulations, you have just did your first orbit. Now, I'll teach you how to do another move. Now I'll be showing you how to do a good reveal move. So now you'll want your drone facing 90 degrees downwards. You want to be moving forward immediately right after the video and tilt your camera up slowly with the tilt wheel. It freezed for a moment here because my phone's overheating. I'm very sorry, but I'll show you the shots later. And nice, you have just done it. You have did the reveal shot, which is really good and really cinematic for good videos. Now let's do a rocket. So there's two types of rockets. I'll do the easiest variant, which is just going up slowly whenever we're doing a straight down rocket shot. I'll show you the easiest variation. You want it to set a little bit, but not too much, because otherwise you will hit the wires. After you've done that, you can move a little bit backward to center your subject.
Max altitude reached.
Then start recording. Go up and then slightly turn. Just like this. Now you get a spinning cinematic shot. I've reached max altitude, so I can't really do the rocket shot that well. So this should be probably good enough. And congratulations, you've done it really well. Now I'll teach you the second rocket variant. So you'll want to do this on a lower subject because I did it on way too high of a subject. Now that you're at a good height, you can probably now finally record. What you want to do is just go up and tilt down your camera, just like this. You want to do this in cinematic mode, so that's a lot easier.
Max altitude reached.
Now be aware, these shots may be a little bit slow, so you could speed them up a little bit, but they could be a little bit shaky. So congratulations, you've just done the rocket shot. And now that's probably all I can teach you for now. But I will recommend you some more accessories like ND filters, lanyards, silicone cases, or propeller holders. Those are really good and useful. For the ND filters, I probably recommend newer ND filters. They're really cheap, maybe under $10 or so for a pack. They're really good and high quality. You just want to make sure that you clean them now occasionally, so that they don't get that dirty and don't show up on the camera.
Obstacle
And goodbye, guys.
unavailable.
And in case if you ever get worried that you can't land your jaw, all you need to do is land like this. Just push your stick backwards and eventually you'll be able to land. Now just before I leave, I recommend you guys these newer ND filters. They're really high quality and it comes in a case. They have in the pack they have ND6, ND16, ND32, ND64, and ND258. They also come with a CPL filter and the case. So goodbye guys.